For this art lesson, we can choose to do a fox or a bunny. We can use tempera paint or acrylic paint. If we're going to use acrylic paint, we need to roll up our sleeves and put an apron on. We're going to trace our template, and then it is recommended that you use a Sharpie right now to trace over all the lines. And then we're going to take white and paint our animal. We're going to paint it all white and then select a color, and we're going to paint just the edges of the animal. And we want to do this right away before it dries so that it blends. And then we'll do the same to the snow. And if you used a light blue for the bunny, then try to use a darker blue for the snow. And then we're going to also use paint for our mountains, and then we used liquid watercolor for the background, but you can use watercolor for the background. And then you have the option of painting the black lines for the fur, or you can also use your Sharpie. If you use Sharpie at the beginning, you'll be able to see it, and once it's dry, you can go ahead and take your Sharpie and just retouch any of those areas that were covered by the white, because they will show up. We do the exact same thing to the fox, and you can choose to do a gray fox, a blue fox, a pink fox. Any color is okay. And then you need to wait for the mountains or the trees to dry completely if you want to maybe use Posca pens or add any color. For this, I did not like my background, so what I did was I cut it out, and then I started to use other painted papers that I had, and I liked this one, and I glued the two papers together, and that's it. Which one are you going to plan to do? I liked both.